If you have low levels of testosterone, you are missing out on so much of your potential. If you have heard of testosterone before but never really cared about it, this video should change your opinion. Testosterone is the most important hormone in a man, and having very little of this hormone inside your body makes you less of a man. Testosterone has numerous major benefits for a man, like building muscles faster in the gym, feeling confident in himself, high energy levels throughout the day, deepening his voice, mental toughness, and increased focus in whatever he does. Basically, every quality that helps you succeed in life. You might ask how you can even know that you have low levels of testosterone. Well, the fastest and the most accurate way to find out is simply getting your testosterone levels checked. You can fix appointments with a doctor to get it tested. The expert will extract a small amount of blood sample from your body, which is examined to find your testosterone levels. But if you have your own reasons and inconvenience to do that, the natural and inexpensive method is to observe the signs your body gives you. Your body starts showing symptoms of low testosterone levels and starts telling you that you need to make a change. If you notice only one or two symptoms, your testosterone levels should be average to fine. But if you see many of these signs together, your hormone levels might be drastically low, and it may actually be time to fix that. So what symptoms should you look out for? Well, the first sign is your energy levels. Do you struggle to find motivation to do your daily tasks? You might also have a hard time focusing on anything worthwhile, and your mind gets easily distracted. Feeling fatigued and tired throughout the day, every day could be a sign that you have low amounts of this powerful hormone. While on the other hand, high levels of T makes you extremely motivated to chase your goals and do the tasks that matter. You feel unlimited energy levels coursing through your body, and your muscles also recover very quickly from a workout. Number 2, mood swings. Relating to the last point, people with low testosterone levels tend to experience a lot of mood swings throughout the day and feel annoyed by even the smallest of reasons. 3, sex drive. If you have low levels of sex drive and you do not feel horny frequently, it could indicate an imbalance in your hormones. 4, skinny fat. If you have a skinny fat body and fat reserves in your body like love handles or man boobs, it is another prominent sign that you have low levels of testosterone but higher levels of estrogen, which is the opposite of testosterone and the most important hormone for women. High levels of T helps you lose fat very fast and build proper muscle mass. 5, high-pitched voice. From a biological standpoint, men are supposed to have a thick and deep voice. If yours is quite sharp and girly, it directly has something to do with the testosterone levels in your body. 6, patchy hair. If you've already started experiencing hair loss from your scalp or struggle to grow a full beard due to patches, this could be another sign. 7, no morning wood. If you rarely wake up to a morning erection or you hardly experience any wet dreams, your hormone levels aren't quite where it should be. Now, the most important and concerning sign could be ED. Erectile dysfunction is a condition where you struggle to get your little man up and you cannot get it hard. This indicates a very low level of testosterone. Being a man, if you cannot even use your manhood, it is time that you start making some changes in your lifestyle. How many boxes did you tick? Well, if you are experiencing most of these symptoms at once, it is time you start to work on increasing your testosterone levels. Now, I'll share some ways you can increase your testosterone naturally. Let's begin with step 1, identifying the reasons. Let's first reflect on your daily lifestyle choices which cause low levels of T so you could start avoiding them consciously. I'm not going to tell you the obvious reasons like not exercising or eating a healthy diet, but rather the things that go often ignored. First is addiction. If you are addicted to literally anything, it could cause imbalance in your hormones. Addiction to any sorts of instant gratification activities like video games, porn, or even drugs leads to an increase in stress levels which cause a dip in your testosterone levels. While you are stressed, your brain produces a type of chemical known as cortisol, which is inversely proportional to your testosterone. High levels of cortisol result in low levels of testosterone and vice versa. Pornography is the main enemy of your testosterone levels because it can mess up the reward system in your brain. Watching porn heavily increase your dopamine levels, and after you're done, it goes down even below the normal level. This causes the dark and dull mood, which in turn lowers your testosterone. Cell phone addiction is another harmful addiction as it messes up your circadian rhythm, which means higher estrogen and lower testosterone. You need to look for ways to break your addiction. Number 2, plastic. This might not seem really harmful, but trust me, it is as harmful for your body as it is to the environment. Plastics contain a chemical known as BPA, which makes your body produce more estrogen. This causes your muscle mass to decrease and also your sex drive is reduced. Avoid coming in contact with plastic as much as you can. Drink water from a metal container and try to get rid of as many unwanted plastic you are surrounded by. Receipts have the highest levels of BPA, and only by touching it, it causes an imbalance in the hormones. So next time any shop offers you a receipt, it would be better to decline it. Now comes the most crucial part, increasing your testosterone naturally. The very obvious and fast way to increase your T level is to exercise. Any form of physical activity counts, but the more the intensity of your workout, the more effective it is. The best exercises, though, are weightlifting and strength training, and only 30 minutes of intense weightlifting has proven to increase testosterone levels by 21%. But if you do not have time to hit the gym, cardio is also very effective. Or you can also participate in sports. As I mentioned, any physical activity counts. Number 2, sleep. Sleep is very important in the overall functioning of your body, and I'm not going to tell you to get 8 hours of sleep as you already know it. My point is to go to bed every day at a consistent time. You wouldn't believe how crucial this is. It has direct relations with your circadian rhythm, which is your body's natural alarm clock. It controls your cognitive performance, metabolism, and hormone production, which also includes testosterone. Number 3 is sunlight. Getting sunlight for at least 10 minutes a day. The first thing after you wake up in the morning has been proven to increase your testosterone levels. It also affects your circadian rhythm, which, as I mentioned before, helps in testosterone production. Our ancestors back in the days were scientifically proven to have massive levels of testosterone. If you think about it, they were doing everything right without any effort. They would sleep and wake up on time due to the natural timings, and they were active every day as they had to hunt for food and spent most of their time out in the sun. It is now that we have too much comfort and stay home all day doing nothing, which has undoubtedly led to low levels of testosterone. Next is a good diet. Excluding junk foods from your diet is one of the most helpful things you can do for the body. Processed foods and foods which contain high amount of sugars not only cause a dip in your testosterone levels, but are also unhealthy for the body. Just having a bad diet can lower your testosterone up to 15%. Instead, you could add all sorts of nutrients to your diets like vitamins and minerals, or also take supplements as substitute. Number 5, meditation. Like I said, stress is the enemy of testosterone. Meditation helps calm you down and decrease your stress levels. So that was it for this video. I hope you clearly understand about testosterone and how to keep it in check. I'll see you in the next one.